In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all emails over a certain age in Outlook Webmail. Cleaning out your inbox can feel like a daunting task, but with a few straightforward steps, you can efficiently manage your emails and keep your Outlook Webmail organized and clutter-free. To get started, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Microsoft Outlook page. Once on the home page, you'll see the Sign In button prominently displayed. Click on that button to access your account. You'll then arrive at the sign-in page where you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Enter your email address followed by your password. Take a moment to ensure that all the information you've entered is correct, and when you're ready, click the Next button. Upon signing in, you'll be directed to your Outlook dashboard. Take a moment to orient yourself. This is your control center where you'll be performing all upcoming actions. Now direct your attention to the top section of the screen where you will see the search bar. This tool is invaluable for filtering and locating specific emails according to your criteria. Once you've located the search bar, move your gaze slightly to the right to find a small icon that resembles three stacked lines. This is the filter icon and plays a key role in refining your search results. Click on this icon and you'll be provided with several options. Here, you have the ability to specify the emails you want to manage by inputting criteria such as name, keywords, or more notably for today's task, a specific date or time frame. If your goal is to delete emails older than, say, 6 months, you can specify this time frame using the search feature. By entering a date or choosing a range, Outlook can sort through and display only the emails that match your specified criteria. This strategic approach allows you to easily identify and remove outdated emails, streamlining your inbox effectively. Once your results are displayed, select those emails you wish to delete. You can do this by either highlighting them individually or using the Select All feature if you're handling a sizable group. After the selection, hit the trash bin icon or press the Delete key on your keyboard to move these emails to the trash. Remember, they'll remain in the trash folder until permanently deleted, giving you a short window to recover any important messages if necessary. Taking a few minutes to maintain your inbox regularly by following these steps ensures that you keep your emails organized and focus your time on the most pertinent communications. I hope this guide helps you take control of your Outlook webmail experience. Happy organizing!